What is the nature of reality? Metaphysics dares us to explore this profound question. Originating from ancient philosophy, metaphysics seeks to understand the fundamental nature of being and the world. Key ideas include substance, causality, and existence. Philosophers like Descartes and Kant shaped our understanding. Different schools of thought, such as idealism and realism, offer diverse insights on reality's essence. Imagine a world where your thoughts shape reality. How would that change your decisions? Metaphysics has profound implications in ethics and science, guiding our quest for knowledge. What do you think? Is reality merely what we perceive, or is there more to explore?